In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't install battle.net and load games error BLZBNTBTS0000005C. So first thing I suggest you do is go to Windows Update and check for updates. Now if Windows does have any update, make sure you're to the latest update. So after this, you want to go to this PC, C drive, and here you will go to program data. Here you will find battle.net, so make sure you delete this file because now you will reinstall the software. So you could either do this or you could just go to control panel and go to programs and find battle.net through here and just uninstall it. So let's see, here's it. So I will just click uninstall. This will uninstall battle.net and then reinstall it, and this should fix your issue.